Alrighty, we're gonna get started with this video. Here is the first circuit. So here we have our diode, and then underneath that we have our resistor. Right now we're measuring from the input up here, which comes from the vigilant, and here is the output down here. So here's what the graph looks like. In yellow is the input and blue is the output, and as you can see there's a drop of about 0.5 volts. So here is the IV curve from our lab report, and as we can see, as the voltage drop increases, we get a much higher current. We are now on to part B of the experiment. Here is our circuit. We have the input coming in from here going into this diode, and the diode connects in series to this resistor. We also have this capacitor which can connect in to up here. So right now we're going to look at it without the capacitor. Here's what the output graph looks like. You can see the full wave coming up and down. Now we're going to put the capacitor in. As you can see here, it's connected in parallel to the resistor, and we can see that the output is now this half wave. It's changed quite dramatically. Okay, so on to part C of the experiment. Here is our op amp. Right now we have our input coming in here, which is going into the positive terminal, which is being read by this oscilloscope measure. The output of the op amp is coming up into here, into the diode, which then comes down into the negative terminal. And we are reading right now from the P side to the positive side. Here's what we're getting in our graph. As we can see, the yellow is the input sinusoid that we send in, and then the blue is the output. So we can take the blue wire and move it down to read the output now. So this is the N side. And we can see that the output actually matches only the positive sides of the input wave. So we saw this circuit in operation for part C. Here's the data from the other two inputs. So here's 1K frequency with a 1 volt resistor, or 1 volt input, and then also the 10K with 0.5 volt input. So these we didn't show in the video because we thought they'd be the same, but here are the outputs, the results.